Kato on the track, beer.
Orbit in the lab, set your breeze off the map. Deep in my practice, me and my staff in the traps for my raps. Wrapped in my tracks, learning the hidden Mr. B's in my craft. I graph at the math to see what to add to keep or if I need to subtract something for the machine in my factory. So to see what the factors leak happening. Clinical trials for this mass disease. I can't retreat or respond passively. I would have wanted to anyway. That ain't me. For the right medicine, I search the 7 C's to come up with the cure and remedy. Many reaching out to me, cause they see this what I'm best in. Want me to craft the vaccine for this infection, so things can be fixed and must be destroyed, so my choices. Lethal is my injection and implementing prevention to stop the demic from spreading. Going endless session for session. While I'm questioning, what am I testing? Internal dependence of external projections. I diagnose as killing creative expression.